Hey guys, what's going on? Eddie V here. Welcome to the channel. Hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and here's some additional information as well. Guess what, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use a paper logbook and when to use it, and why you should keep a paper logbook in your truck. Let's go. Alright guys, so here's how I know to use a paper logbook. Here's my paper logbook. This is what a blank one looks like. You got a white page and a yellow page. Yellow page is copy for yourself, and white page is when, what do you call, I'm almost running out, so just in case, see, it's sometimes I need to buy some because it's for emergency. But what do you call, white one is for the company to keep that you're working for, and the yellow one's for yourself. Now, when should you use a paper logbook? When you have a glider truck. Glider truck is a truck with a new frame, but the engine is a pre-2000, which means it did not have electronic logbook connectivity, which is ELD, and you could use paper logs, or on any old truck that doesn't use paper logs. I mean electronic logbook, that's probably year 2000 and older, and that's when you can use paper logbook. I drove glider trucks before as a company driver, so I know how to use paper logbooks. Now here's another thing when you should use your paper logbook is if your ELD malfunctions, you could use your paper logbook as a backup log, because there's been circumstances, I'm going to show you, my logbook has malfunctioned or something, or messed up, and I use the paper logbook instead. Now, also, what do you call, you should always, I'm going to show you what you need, but first, also, you could use your paper logbook once a month if you don't want to use ELD. That's what I heard. Search it up, so you don't take my word for it. Now, what you must have to use your paper logbook is this. You want to be nice and needy. That way, what do you call, right, you want a pen. Where did that ruler go? And you also want, where do you go? Seriously. You also want a ruler. I'm not gonna show you how to use that. You'll figure it out. It's to draw lines. But here's how we're gonna look at paper logbooks now. All right, right here we see is a paper logbook. You want to put your mile when you're done driving. You want to put how much miles you drove today, your date right here, your tractor number and trailer number you need to put down. Bill lading goes down here. Address of the company, your full signature or name, from where you started and where you're going. As you can see, ELD malfunction. Right here is all the hours put in. You want to calculate it, all the hours right here, how many on duty, how many total hours available tomorrow, and stuff like that. There's instructions even on here to know how to use it. What you want to do is when you're unloading, you want to show that you're unloading as well. Sleeper berth 10 hours, but also every time you're starting, you want to do a pre-trip of 15 minutes. You could also do 30-minute breaks on here. So this is how I'm going to show you how I do my logbook. So you can see here, this is how a logbook should look at. Neat and organized. So yeah, don't forget to put like names, places where you took your pre-trip inspections, and also where you took your 30-minute breaks, where you ended, and stuff like that. Alright guys, and this is your basics of how to use a logbook and why you should have one in your truck. I already explained why you should have it in your truck. And thank you guys for watching the video. See you next time. Maybe there's gonna be more truck trips, tips, who knows.